Hi everyone, welcome. Today it's stationary time. Today we have here something that I'm really excited to share with everyone, and it is a Sanrio product. And if you have read the title, it is a stationary set. And this one is a Pochaco set by Kinbor. And as you can see, there is a washi tape stamp, a clip, and a memo pad with the weekly planner inside. So let's see what's actually inside, what it looks like, and everything. And I actually looked this one up already, but I haven't really opened everything. But here we will take a closer look of the items that are inside this set. And we have the planner and the washi tape. The box doesn't have anything else, and unfortunately the plastic did melt. Hopefully the stamp is okay. Looking at it, it seems good. And also there are other Sanrio characters that also have this set, like they did have the Cinnamoroll and also My Melody, if I remember correctly. And like they also did this like in other variations as well. Like I know they have a Disney set as well for this one. And here's a closer look for the washi tape. I'm not gonna be opening the washi tape since I'm not gonna be using it yet. And here is like this pochako is like a cafe theme or like a bakery theme set. And here we have the notepad, just pretty plain, but it's okay since you just put notes on them. And here is the stamp. Like the stamps are really good. Like I really like the stamps on this pochako set, and I'm so excited to use them already. And here we do have the clip. Like I'm gonna open it and show you. Like this one has a peel off. Like I'm not gonna be peeling everything, but I'm just gonna show you a bit because yes, I'm still not gonna be using this, so I'll keep it protected first. Then later on, I'll definitely show you when I'm using it the whole. But you can see the image already. And here's the back. Like it's a pretty good clip. Like it does feel sturdy and everything. And the main is this weekly planner, which is the Pochaco. If you remember, I did have a undated planner as well. It was a Kuromi, and this time we have Pochaco, and this one does have a lot of desserts on the back with Pochaco, like everything he likes. And also the image and the borders I are like kind of embossed, so it does feel nice to the touch. And here we have the second one that I have, and this one is a Kuromi set. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the cinnamon roll. That one sold out fast, but I'm satisfied with what I have since I cannot use them all at the same time, unfortunately, since I'm only one person. And even though I do write a lot, like having a lot of notebooks still makes me takes time for me to use this kind of stationery things, especially for the washi tapes. That's why I don't really like opening washi tapes all at the same time. And here we are getting the notepad, and that's it for everything. Now let's see what we have here. For now, let's see the clip. And this one doesn't have any plastic for some reason. I also did check this one before I filmed, and there's no plastic on that one, but it's really pretty that I really wanted to use it. And here's the Kuromi washi tape. Really nice looking washi tapes. Like, I'll definitely use them once I use these weekly planners. For now, I am still using three planners, and like I do use a lot of planners, but for this one, I don't know when I'll be using it. And definitely the Kuromi notepad, I really do love it. And for the stamp, it is really pretty cute with Kuromi and a teddy bear, and it seems all good. Like, if you love Sanrio, like, I think everyone would love this one. And now onto the planner itself. Different from the other one, this one, the foiling and effort they put on the foiling itself for this Kuromi is really pretty. And also, the back itself is pretty simple, and with the hearts and the foiling, it's really nice and adorable. And here is everything for the Kuromi set. And for the next one, let's do the comparison between the two sets. Here is the clip for the Kuromi side, and here's the clip for the Pochako. As you can see, the Kuromi is glossy and the Pochako is on the matte side. And here is the Pochako notepad and Kuromi notepad. I really love the Kuromi notepad more. But in terms of writability, they're both good. And the paper is actually really smooth. And here are the stamps. I really adore the stamps. And I do use stamps as well, but not as often. But the washi tapes I do use a lot. So I'm really excited to use the Kuromi and the Pochako washi tapes. And here are the two side by side, the Pochako and the Kuromi. And we do have here like a very colorful one and a not very colorful one, but at the same time, I do like the vibe of both sides. And as for the back, they're both beautiful, and I do prefer both and the front. So really, I just really cannot decide. So how about everyone? Like, which one would you pick, or would you be like me that I would just get everything? Like, if I had the choice, like, I would have get the cinnamon roll as well. The cinnamon roll design is actually more of like the Kuromi rather than the Pochako. And here is my Kuromi. As you see, I'm a big fan of Kuromi as well. Since the first weekly planner undated one that I got from Kinbor as well is this Kuromi as well. And as you can see, it is pretty good, but it's pretty plain. And the Kuromi that I have, the newer version, is really, it does really pops up and very vibrant. And also, these planners does get thick the more you put on them and the more you write with them. This Kuromi one does have a pop up, but I'm not gonna be opening the other one, so I will just have to share with you some of the pages here, since I can't show you all, since all are private information. And here are some of the stickers that I did pre-put inside this planner. And also here is the look of the free page, like there's a full page that I also pre-decorated already, and I'm halfway using this planner, but still a long way. And here is like a 100 things to do, or a list that you could do. And on the very back, like there's really nothing, like a information that you could put your name and everything. And that's everything. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.